What's up? Happy trading. I'm gonna do my agent strategy from scratch so you guys can see exactly how we agent session. Come over to TradingView first. But welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel, guys. If it's your first time, please like and subscribe. Growing my channel to like-minded traders, or if you are interested in trading. Also, if you're a believer of Jesus Christ as well. It's very important to have a relationship with Christ. You feel me? That's the way to go. Alright, so I just marked the end dog, the new daily opening gap here for this 6 o'clock candle. I just go ahead and just mark out the whole candle. It looks like it already done tapped into it though. It already tapped into it, so it's gonna be a little tricky. I'm gonna mark my buy side liquidity here. Do my sell side liquidity down here. Yeah. But you could just see how the candle opened though. You don't have a wick at the top or anything. So yeah, this is what I do. I mark out the high and the low of the 6 o'clock candle, mark out the high. I could have placed this high, but being at the high is like close to it, I just go ahead and mark this as the buy side liquidity, and then the nearest low here. But this low is like kind of far away. If it was kind of like right here, then I would have placed it here, but I'm not going to count this area over here. So first things first, I'm gonna look at the daily as well and see what I'm looking at. Okay, so we have two healthy daily candlesticks. Let me go ahead and delete this vertical line. This was from, I don't even know what session that was from. Okay, so it did come down here and tap into this daily fair value gap. It has two gaps underneath here, and cannot forget this untouched daily fair value gap down here. And it did take out this higher time frame buy side liquidity right here. It did take that out, so I'm aware of that. So that it seemed like it's a sweep for now. It did not run it on a daily time frame. As far as the weekly candle, I don't really do weekly analysis too much, but I do see that it did take out the previous weekly candle, of course, because I mean it's at all-time highs right now. So let me go to the hourly. I kind of see if there's any hourly fair value gaps. I do see one here. It did tap into this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and mark out this hourly one in case it wants to come back down and retest that hourly fair value gap. So I normally go to the 1 hour time frame and the 15-minute time frame. There is also another hourly gap up here, so I'm gonna go ahead and mark that as well. It'll help me kind of see where the draw liquidity is. I'm not gonna drag it out too far, but when it broke the high time frame buy side liquidity, it went right back inside of it. So this is somewhat of a market structure shift right here on the hourly time frame, that it can tap into this hourly gap and then continue to drop. I'm gonna scroll over to the 15-minute time frame and see what we have here. I mark out anything that I'm not really using like that. So I'm aware of the hourly time frame. So if I wanted to hold it or something. It's basically for future references, especially for New York session. And go back down to the 1 minute. So yeah, basically I wait for a break out of either the initial buy side or initial sell side, and I'll normally go ahead and place an alert on the horizontal line. Horrible lag, bro. Put initial sell, initial buy side. Just put initial buy side liquidity taken. Set the line there. I'll do the same thing for the sell side liquidity taken. Oh, it's a flying here. Oh, it's gonna annoy me. Okay, so within this daily new day opening gap, there is a 1 minute gap right here that it possibly can tap into. So I'm gonna just kind of leave that there just to kind of for future references. But there is some highs right here that it can break. But I just basically marked the gap to see if price will react off of those areas. If it were to come back down, I would kind of see, yeah, let's see, the 3 minute is a gap right there on the 3 minute. 5 minute is a gap down there. But I'll basically be paying more attention to the 1 minute time frame. So now I'm gonna go on ahead to Topstep X and mark out the same thing, do the exact same thing. It's not gonna take me that long because I know where everything is at from doing it on TradingView, and I already have all my templates ready. So all I gotta do is like do the little, you know, bam, bam. So it's like it's a freaking fly here. Oh, it's gonna annoy me. Oh my god. It's gonna annoy me so bad. It's gonna keep flying. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and lock those areas. I'm gonna lock it on TradingView as well. Yeah, because I might not trade tomorrow. So I guess that's the benefit of trading Asian session, is when news happens on those crazy CPIs and whatever news. I mean, I trade after the news events, but like I was explaining in my last video, my trading journey is like knowing what's going on in the markets. You kind of like, I'm gonna risk the same. I'm gonna risk the same for contracts equals to 20 contracts for Asian session. So I'm there you go again. That's gonna bother me, bro. The only way to let them out is if I leave my door open. But my peeps are out there, and I don't want the noise to come in my videos, so I'm gonna have to deal with the fly. There you go again. I'm gonna just deal with them. I'm gonna have to. Okay, so there, as you can see, it's coming down into this 1 minute fair value gap. So from this 4:13 p.m. today, it was a gap right here. Just want to see how it reacted off of this right here. Okay. Came back down, and then it ended up dropping. And then the market closed. Okay, so yeah, I didn't buy another account. 485, so I still have this one. I made that 45 last night, Sunday, right when the market opened. And yeah, I have two funded accounts, but I won't have the money to pay them until like the end of this month. It's less than 30 days, so I'm straight, so I don't have to worry about that. So you guys will soon see me trading on my funded accounts, but as of now, I might just take my time and I have money to get more combines, but like my goal is to have 350Ks and 200Ks. But like the overall goal though is to trade live, because with everything going on, like a freaking futures prop firm just got shut down, so I'm just being aware of everything. the goal is to get payouts, but I really want to just trade my live money as well. So I just want to be able to pull money away from here and be able to put it in my live account, which will be Tradeovate. Have that futures platform to trade off of. I'll just use that and just trade off of it through TradingView. I don't really care for the Tradeovate platform because I really don't feel like I've adapted. I've adapted to Topstep X. I've adapted, but I just feel like I don't want to have to learn a whole nother platform. You know what I'm saying? But I'm really excited about Henko Trade though. I will put money in a forex broker as well and just trade NAS. That will also be another account that I will want to do. I will want to put money in a forex account and just stack it up and just put money in there and stack it up and just do proper risk management, take payouts when I need to. You know what I'm saying? And just go from there. That's the goal, man, is just to live life. You know what I'm saying? And just to be financial free. Because that is the goal. Financially free, being financially free, spiritually free in your mind, your soul, mentally, just everything, And just be happy in life. I don't want to be upset. I don't want to be angry, unhappy, That's the goal. Everything is not all about trading. It's a way to make money, but you don't want to find a way just on the charts all the time. That's why it's good to take breaks. It felt good not to trade this morning. It felt good not to trade Thursday. It felt good not to trade Friday. So, yep. So I see that it inverted. It's like I'm still getting used to talking, bro. Like, for real, I'm still getting used to doing these videos because it's like I'm trying to sound proper so that I can be understanding. Somebody can understand what I'm saying, but I find myself just saying crazy stuff.
Don't keep going, pretty boy.
Good to be patient and not just hop in trades, because I would have been in profit. But see how I went right back to the entry? That's a seek and destroy. That's a seek and destroy type. That's a seek and destroy example. That's what I'm trying to say. That's an example of a seek and destroy. Like how it gave this beautiful 2-minute entry right here. And then it dropped, but then it went right back. That's called seek and destroy. But like I said, I didn't get in because it didn't take a low yet. If I would have gotten in here, but the first criteria, it has to take out a low or a high. So I'm glad that I didn't get in that trade. So all of these are invalid. This is invalid. This 1 minute can be inverted. So now I'll be possibly looking for buys just based off of what price just did. It can invert this right here and take out the buy side. That wouldn't be a bad entry because it took out a low. So being that it took out this low, it can possibly go ahead and head up to the higher direction if you had a buy and take out the initial buy side liquidity. So it took out a low. It has to be a fair value gap, and then you have that initial buy side liquidity that it can possibly take out. So those are the 3 reasons to hop in right here. Okay, I have my dryer on my feet, guys, so I have to be up close to the mic. It just knocked me out. I was a little skeptical because it's a 2-minute for value gap here, so I did the right thing. But let it fly again. I'm trying not to talk too high, so I won't be too loud for you guys. But it did. Okay, let me take all of this out so I can see clearly. Alright, so now I'll be possibly looking to see that fly. So I'll be possibly looking to see if it'll push back up and see if it'll take out this low right here. I don't see why it wouldn't take out these lows. Take out this low. Now if it take out this low, and then I'll be possibly looking for it to push back up to the upside, and I'll get back in. But I just saw, this is what I just seen. It just tapped into this gap. I don't know, it may want to trade lower, y'all. We'll see. But it would make sense for me to take buys instead of sells, because my stop loss will have to be up here. Buys makes more sense because of the positioning of the but see, it didn't take this low out, so it's kind of like I don't know, y'all. This might be it for me. This might be it for me because it has to make sense. It has to make sense for me to hop back in. It didn't take out this low right here, so it's like if I get in for buys, it may wanna hit this 2-minute gap, 2-minute fair value gap, and then push lower. And then take it out, you know what I'm saying? But I mean, if it takes off, it takes off. But I don't know. And that is a bullish candlestick pattern right there. But see how I just inverted that? I'll just watch it and see. But this would be the ideal trade right here, though. But I don't know. I don't want to get dumped on. Like if I take a sell position here, move this, it would kind of make sense because it's like a lot of wicking out and a lot of equal lows there. But it just has to make sense. Yeah, see, my stop loss will have to be like right here in the awkward position. See how it just did that right there? I think I would possibly be looking for sales. I'll possibly be looking for sales now, but stop loss is a little tricky. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hop in sales now. But this one I'm looking at also, it could be inverting this gap to push back up to the upside. So I'm gonna just wait, man. It just has to make sense, because it is a lot of consolidation. But there's a market structure inside of it. That's the weird part. it really did just tap into this 1 minute gap right here. But then tap into that 2 minute too, so. Okay, I'm waiting for this candle to close. Go ahead and close. Yeah, I'm out. Alright guys, you see it, my first L of the stream, my first L, and you don't like it. I hate losing, I really hate losing. But yeah, I'm gonna be as transparent as I can. So I lost, look at my P&L. It's from today. Dang, I lost, yeah, because I was up 485. So I basically lost, let me see. But yeah, so I lost 2 trades. It ended up being $283 over my $500 max daily loss limit. So I did not follow my rule with that, because I did risk 5 more contracts instead of what is 25? Yeah, so that's 5 contracts for New York session. So yeah, I ended up risking 5 more contracts, and that put me at 5 contracts for your New York session. So yep, it looks like I want to trade lower, but it did take out these lows right here though. This is the week of CPI, bruh. This is the week of CPI. So this exactly what happened. Well, I wouldn't say this exactly, because I mean I just took 1 loss. I had all wins last week, and I think the week before, so I've been winning for 2 weeks straight. As far as like the NPNL, of course I lost trades before I won trades, but yeah, I might just need to go ahead and stop before I go on a tilt. But I do believe that it may so look at how, yeah, this is definitely seek and destroy vibes. This is what's going on right now.
Keep going, pretty boy.
Oh, I don't have to do it anymore because I turned it off. But yep, so this ended up being an L, guys. I'm gonna have to definitely edit this video. Hold on, I forgot what I put it on. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna definitely have to edit this video. Like, I had a hard time, just my computer kept lagging. It was just horrible. But yeah, so I took a L. Like I said, I'll be transparent with you guys. I lost 783, and look at that. So yeah, yep. So I'm only down like 300 bucks, which isn't bad. I need to stop saying but said it again. Yeah, I gotta get used to this, man. I gotta get used to this. But yeah, but I lost to 783. I did lose. I'm not gonna lie, I have FOMO right. Well, I want to say I am having a little FOMO right now, because that actually would have been a good entry right here off of this fair value gap, but it just kept consolidating and consolidating. And now it's finally pushing up. So just missed out on that opportunity. It's the first L on my channel. So I wanted to go over my journal because I did type it in front of you guys, but it's been lagging so much. But I wanna, when I do the wins, I'd be very thorough with it. So I wanna do it when I lose as well. So yeah, I was like $283 over my max daily loss. So yeah, so I did not follow my rule with that. That I lived to trade another day. Yeah, so I was 90% confident. My direction was longs and Qs. I always put a 1 or 2. Result loss, Asian, so all this good stuff. I accepted it because I mean I did lose. I did give myself 2 trades. I went over my daily loss. So it ended up being 785 or 783. I gotta go back and check that. So yeah, I was looking for a price to take the buy side liquidity, but it ended up consolidating. But right there, or forget it. It's lagging too much. It created a setup, but it just didn't hold it. It took out the initial sell side liquidity, but it just kept ranging. So yeah, I marked everything here, my loss, and my screenshot of my loss. And right now it is taking off, which is what I expected it to do anyway. So this is the market when CPI is hitting, man. The CPI is here. Is Wednesday. So yeah. Okay. So as you can see, let me go. Yeah, I got back in. I did get back in. Off that 5-minute inverted fair value gap. I did not hold it all the way through though. I ended up getting out around here. Yeah, I ended up getting out around here, around this candle right here, because I thought it was gonna just reverse, so I could have had my stop loss. I mean my take profit. It would have hit my take profit basically, but I went ahead and got out. So I basically just got back what I lost. I got back in on like 20 contracts. Let me see if I can show my journal. Go to back office here, so you can see what I lost. There we go. Yep, look at all that I lost. Ended up being, it was like 785 when I started recording because my freaking desktop just was lagging like crazy. So I ended up losing like $812, and then I ended up getting it back and made like I have my calculator over here. Oh, I lost it. It was like 800 and something. Basically got it back, and that ended up with a $22.20 profit for the night. I did disobey my rules, so I'm gonna lock myself out. I'm not gonna show you tomorrow's. But I mean, and plus it's the day before. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and lock myself out right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. So I will not be trading. That'll ensure that I'm not gonna trade the day before CPI, which is tomorrow. Tomorrow's not CPI, it's the day before CPI. So I'm punishing myself as in just not trading tomorrow at all. So basically, I just got it back and then $22.20. I'm not really proud of it because I broke my rules, but I mean, at least I got it back. But yeah, I just wanted to do an update on the trade that I lost, and it actually ended up going in profit. It actually hit my doggone take profit because my entry was over here. It was over here, and my take profit was the freaking initial buy side liquidity, which was here. This is my take profit area, and it ended up hitting take profit. But see, what messed me up was this was my position here. My stop loss was, I think my entry was like up here. Then like my stop loss was like right beneath this low right here. So I ended up getting stopped out. But it ended up coming down to this 1 minute fair value gap right here. And it ended up inverting it. And then it just took off. So that's what happens. I mean, it was still tradable. It's just the fact that I lost my 2 trades. And I ended up losing more than what I was supposed to. So yeah. Once again, thank you guys for watching. If you watched the whole video all the way through, I've been working on shortening my videos a little bit. I've been doing too much talking. But I try to give value, you know, when I talk. But the goal, like I said, the goal is to stream anyways, you know, to be able to trade live, so you guys can basically pick my brain and what I'm thinking while I'm trading. So yeah, I took a loss, got it back. Well, I took a loss, broke my rule, and then I ended up getting back in when I saw it reject off of this 5-minute fair value gap right here. So once I saw it do that, I just was like, well, that's a clean entry to get in. So I ended up getting in on that. Yeah, so peace. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to please like and subscribe. There will be more content on the way. I'm building my channel. Thank you guys so much for the 16 subscribers that I have so far. God bless you. Thank you so much. Yeah, so that's it for this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Sway.